rise up. Gotta get up and ballin', come nice with the flow. All night sparking the glow. Tell them how we feel. This shit's so real. Everyone need to chill and just fly away until we die. Fly away until we die.
Alrighty guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be just a cold start with the AMG Performance Exhaust and the Resonator Delete. So this is exactly what it's going to sound like. I'm going to do comfort mode, I'm going to do individual, and then I'm going to also do Sport Plus so you guys can hear the difference. Alright, so without further ado, here we go. Alright, so that was it. The first one was in actually individual mode. Then the second one was comfort. Third one was comfort with the exhaust turned on. Fourth one was sport with the exhaust on. Fifth was sport without the exhaust turned on. And then the last one was Sport Plus, obviously with the exhaust turned on. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I think it sounds mighty good. Just a quick walk around in my messy garage. But as you can see, it is shining. Please like this video, please subscribe, hit the notification bell for more future videos like this. You guys stay tuned. We got a long journey ahead of us. Much love and blessings to everyone. Bye-bye.